Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Pattern-aided regression modeling and prediction model analysis. Now we discuss about abstract. This paper first introduced pattern-aided regression, that means PXR models, a new type of regression models designed to represent accurate and interpretable prediction models. This was motivated by two observations. First one, regression modeling applications often involving complex diverse predictor response relationship which occur when the optimal regression model of given regression model type fitting two or more distinct logical group of data are highly different. Second one, state-of-the-art regression methods are often unable to adequately model such relationship. This is of distinct predictor response relationship. The paper also introduced a construct pattern-aided regression method to build accurate PXR big margins, usually using one around the 7 simple patterns and the linear local ranges models. Those PXR models are easy to interpret. In fact, their complexity is just a bit higher than that of piecewise linear regression models and is significantly lower than that of traditional ensemble based regression models. CBXR is especially effective for high dimensional data. The paper also discusses how to use CBXR methodology for analyzing predictions models and correcting their prediction errors. This paper articulated the diverse predictor response relationship phenomena, which says that is regression applications the predictor responsible variable relations fitting different logical group of data are often highly different. The paper introduced a novel type of regression model called the pattern-aided regressions models, defined using small set of pattern and corresponding local regression modeling. PXR models can naturally model diversely predictor response relationship. The paper introduced the regression method for built-in highly accurate PXR models which outperform state-of-the-art regression methods often by big margin in experiments. PXR methods are easy to interpret and they achieve the high accurate prediction modeling with low model complexity. The above indicate the patterns and local regression model construct of PXR models is very powerful, enabling PXR model to achieve more with less. PXR or CBXR is especially effective for high dimensional application involving multiple multivariable intersection. The paper also discussed how to use PXR and CBXR methodology. So now we get CBXR is the perfectly methodology for analyzing prediction models and correcting their prediction errors. Now we discuss about flow diagram for this project. First we are choosing dataset. That dataset is now uploading. Uploading process finished, and then we are going to find the weight values. The weight values means repeated attribute values. The repeated attribute values are next going to find the predictor rating. The predictor rating is give the some numerical values. That numerical values is using the MSE. MSE means mean square error. That mean square error is given the some values. That values are using RMSE. RMSE means root mean square error. This root mean square error gives us some values. That values are using the classification process. Classification process finished now, and then we compare with LR and RMSE. LR means linear regression and RMSE means also I tell root mean square error. Now check the two results. So now we get the accurate result coming from RMSE and then finished. Let's see the demo. Now start with home page, right click and then click run file. This is a home page for pattern-aided regression modeling and prediction model analysis. Now click this button. This is a training file choosing frame process. Now choosing browse button and then choose the dataset student pro text now click view button. So this is a datas, and then click next button. So getting the file and then file name. Now upload the databases. So upload process background running. So file successfully uploaded. So this all data are stored in databases, and then click next button. So this is weight value attribute is datasets values. This school, first you click school and then get to the GP and MS the different school names, and then GP is weighted count 4 to 3, MS weighted count is 2 to 6, and then show the two values. GP is means, MS means, F means. So this is all the attribute, all counted values, and then click next. So predict values. So predict rating. The predict rating student project, the text file we are choosing this type file. So find the predict rating for all datasets. The attribute mean school, sex, age, address. So families. So P statuses. So this is a predict rating values. So then click. So find the mean square error. Mean square error means MSE. I am also tell about. So this is the predict rating error based on mean square error. So this is result. Next, and then find the RMS values. RMS successfully is calculated, and this is all datasets values. So find the mean values based on this data. So this is the mean values. So now click, and then this is the classification frame. Now we classifications start. So this is the large error, this one is the small error. So based on the bit classifications error values. So and then now checking the compare linear regression modeling and root mean square. So we will get to the this file is checking process. So choosing school, so compute values. So this is the drop accuracy, find the linear regression. Now using root mean square, it will be get to the 244. So it is the accurate error. So we are using the difference attributes. It will be get to the different error. It will be get to the difference error. So this is the accurate values. So next graph. So compute between LR and RMC is the comparison result. So LR find the large error. So find the drop accuracy is root mean square is correctly find the errors. So and then check compare accuracy between the PXR and the CPXR. So this is also the existing process. This is proposed process. So now getting the accurate values. Thank you.